Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to discuss a very simple strategy for the cryptocurrencies because I have received tons and tons of messages on my WhatsApp number. The strategy that is working on the Bitcoin and on the other cryptocurrencies. I want to show you that how Fibonacci and ABCD pattern can give good directions of the market and obviously good trading decisions as well at the same time. First of all, I'm on the Bitcoin, BTC, USD, and I usually look for the daily time frames. If you see, these are some tactics which we need to understand. Most of the time the traders are losing big sum of money by lacking the understanding of the market structure. If we have no market structure understanding, then definitely how do we know if it is going to go drop or if it is going to continue back up? And we also don't know if it go up what we are going to do, or if it go down what we are going to do. So in that situation the trader becomes completely puzzled. Once the trader gets puzzled, obviously that's where the market makers try to trap all of us. Everyone these days have some sort of strategy. Every strategy works in different circumstances. Despite of the so many strategies present in the market, still the traders lose money. Why? Because of the lack of understanding of the market structure. How the market structure play a very important role, I will be also discussing that in this video as well. So let's see. First of all, this Bitcoin US dollar right here, when the market is right here, remember everyone, we just need to find out it is going up there or it is going down there. So first of all, I want to tell you that this is a daily time frame, and I like to study the daily time frame most of the time since the beginning of my channel, because the daily time frame is the time frame that gives us those accurate directions of the market. The strategy is very simple. Let me tell you, if this is a move, what I'm going to look at, let's suppose this is a move, and what I'm going to look at is definitely a correction back to 61.8% retracement, and I can trade in that direction. And when it give the move, it obviously looks as this. Now here comes in a very important question, and the important question that is right here. Now 6, 7 and 9 years ago, maybe in 2018, 2019, markets were very simple. We had to do the Fibonacci from right here, but as all of you know, market structure keep evolving. The difficulty level keeps increasing as more and more traders joins. It means that trader has to keep learning, keep growing, keep understanding the market structure, and those who understand the market structure, believe me, they will always be to the right side of the market. So this point you must have got it. Now 61.8% retracement, when it hits, we definitely look for some confirmation and then we trade in that direction. I will be showing you how we can apply that right here, and how to find out the direction of the market, which way it is going, and then what will be our approach. But before that, let's highlight this area a little bit, and let me show you, even if it was trading right here, how this was tradable, because this is a very important concept that most of the traders then ignore, and then they lose a lot of the money. Right here, most of the traders must have took sell decisions. Selling right here, well, definitely that can be so much risky. So let's see this particular trade, how it was picked by the investors, because they understand the ABCD, they understand the market structure. Now here is very simple thing right here in front of us, and that is right here. If we see, we need to look to the left side of the market and just understand the previous structures a little bit, read the structures a little bit, I should say. So the market plotted the impulsive wave, and by then, if you see, this was a very nice level right here that was broken, even retested. But I say I don't have to do anything with these breakouts and retest for now. I'm just reading at this stage the market structure. So then once we find the impulsive wave, what we need to do is definitely we find our Fibonacci level, and Fibonacci was right here. Obviously, if we see, let's have a look at it, and let's see all the way from 1,13,000 somewhere the market took a bounce, and this was a level I already discussed with all of you. I uploaded a short video as well, and since then, when remember market is on this impulsive wave, we don't need to look for this particular sell or this particular sell. Remember, there are two teams in the market, okay? One is the buy team, one is the sell team. So when we decided from right here that we are going to become bulls on the basis of this 61.8% retracement, then there is no chance of selling right here. Well, yes, this was a good zone for looking to partial positions right here, and then obviously it got completed, not just completed but gave another confirmation right here. Market gave a strong breakout, then a retest right here. Very simple. Then similarly the market upon this breakout and the retest gave another Fibonacci number right here, and this is that Fibonacci number which got completed right here. And see, on the completion the market took another sort of resistance from this particular place and the market dropped. But again I say this sell was not for us. Why? Because we are in the buy team in this particular one, and I hope you must have understood this particular concept. Now if we see obviously right here, if we need to find out that what after all this market is going to do right here at this particular place, we can look to the higher time frame as well. Most of the traders then say, why I'm going to look at the weekly time frame if I want to trade on the 15-minute time frame? Well, my friends, we need to have a bird's eye view. We have to look at the market from every aspect, because we are spending money, we are investing money right here, we are not gamblers. So we have to look each and every time frame. So right here the weekly candle, well, clearly it suggests a drop, right? It dropped very nicely all the way from 1,23,950 towards 107,584, but the weekly says there are still the bullish traders present in this particular market, and if we see, there will be a Fibonacci number as well. Now the Fibonacci number, and market exactly is standing at this particular Fibonacci number, so I will do it this way and I will be completing it this way right here. Now if I show you right here, sort of like a trend line is almost established, because we have seen a rejection from right here, so we can say this is a trend line. Maybe if it breaks below, then stay with me, I'm showing you that if it break below, what we are going to do. So one thing we have found from the weekly time frame, and that is that Fibonacci 61.8% retracement right here visible very nicely on this daily time frame as well. We can do it as this, and now the things are very much clear for all of us. Now those of the traders who sold from right here, well my friend, if you just followed the Fibonacci number, you must definitely not be selling from here, okay? First of all, as per the Fibonacci, even this level was not good for a sell, but it was good for looking to the take profits. Even there was one Fibonacci I discussed already, and right here if you see, this ABCD pattern got completed all the way from right here back to there. It gave nice profit, slight false breakout, but the overall rhythm of the market, that's obviously pointing towards 1,35,362. Now it doesn't mean we are going to buy right here. We can buy right here, we can set a SL right here. So right here, if this is a tiny SL compared to the take profit. Market structure is a combination of the support, resistance, higher highs, lower lows, breakouts, retest. I will try to make a separate video one day on it if I get plenty of comments. So I hope you must have understood it. Now if I show it to you on the H4, there are plenty of opportunities. So it depends then on the trader, which opportunity the trader want to avail. So one thing is for sure clear, as far as this market is trading above 107,334.35, we will remain be bullish. We will be treating it as bullish. And remember, this is not a trade signal, but this is for educational purpose. I just want to show you the importance of the Fibonacci, because most of the traders keep ignore it and then have a lot of the losses and a lot of the losses. So That's obviously not very good, right? So right here, since we already have decided from the higher time frame that this market right now is bullish to the bullish side of the market, but there is one challenge, and that challenge is on the lower time frame. Right here, if I show you where is that challenges will be there. We cannot avoid the importance of the challenges, because out of these challenges we need to understand the markets. Let's delete this particular one for now, and let's focus on this downward trend that it is going on. So for short term now, daily time frame is a bit long term, h4 is a bit short term, h1 is a bit even more short term, m30 is even more short term, similarly 15 is a very intraday one. So now a trader can say, okay, I am a bullish, so let's see if price go up there to 1,12,865, and I can look for an attempt to wait for a correction down below, and on the basis of a 61.8% retracement I take a buy. Another trader can say, okay, I wait for a breakout of this trend line, because see, it is holding all the way from 15th of August, so not an ordinary one. So I will say, the trader will say, okay, I want to wait for this particular breakout retest, and then I am going to look for the bullish side of the market. Now remember, everywhere it is showing bullish, even on the daily time frame, and even this, once it gives us a breakout, a retest, then it will also be showing us a very nice breakout to the top side of the market. But this breakout can be obviously tradable, right? And there is one other opportunity. The trader can say, okay, the traders say, I just want to wait for this particular 61.8% retracement from here back to till here, and I want to enter right here. Now on this tiny zone right here, even if I tell you there is one ABCD pattern already active in the market. What is that ABCD pattern? That is as this. See, the market go up there and it came back down, took a 61.8% retracement. I will be doing it on the H1 so that you get a little bit more clear view. Now it's not about the long-term trading, the daily time frame. Most of the traders say daily is very long term. Nah, my friends, from the daily time frames we need to know that what yesterday the traders did, what today the traders are doing. So this way, if we follow this Fibonacci strategy, is going to be working very nicely for us. Now let's have a look at it. Isn't it simple? It is. This is a 61.8% retracement right here, one trade opportunity. Then this is another 61.8% retracement, another opportunity. Let's have a look at it. See, 61.8% retracement. So everywhere you can just do it on the charts, and once you practice it, then you will get a clear idea about it, that how much worthy this or how much value this Fibonacci strategy has. This is present in the market, just like it completed A, this is B, this is C, this is D. I will be making a separate video on the ABCD, but for now just understand it that the market, when it go up from there, this whole move all the way from here, because this was a support from a daily, and that 61.8% retracement on the daily as well it is, and there is this trend line as well right here as well. So these bulls are now pointing to the top side of the market, back to 1,14,185. Now one can say, okay, since market is already trading above the trend line, I'm not going to sell from there. But obviously those traders who are looking to buy from here, they added more buying decisions, and their anticipation is they are going to close near 114. Now in order for this impulsive wave and this C to D move of the market to be invalid, we need a break below this particular zone. So obviously if it breaks below, we can just wait for the market become bulls from right here again, and then also we can wait for the market that, okay, we just hit our SL, this AB bullish bulls failed right here. So okay, what we can do further is we wait for 1,07,222 price level, this one, to break down, took a retest, and then we can look to the confirmation side. So till here it is very much tradable. Now the more lower time frame if we go, it can even give us more clear direction as well, but I don't want to go that below, because I want you guys to study this particular strategy, to understand, to practice it, and I'm sure enough it will be giving us lots and lots of profits. Now one more thing, and that thing is when this market will be completing this particular zone right here, since these sellers are already in the market, there will be this, it will be showing to us 61.8% retracement. It is clearly pointing back up. So these breakout, retest, continuation traders can just look till here as their take profits, and rest of the trades they can treat this particular zone as this. Now this is market structure, my friend. If you do it this way, believe me, that is not far away, you will always be in profit. And even if your SLs are hit, those SLs will not be too big. Like what I want to say is that in the longer run you will be very much successful. So this was the strategy on the Bitcoin, and this is what it suggests. Now obviously if it gives us a break below, it will indicate that the market is back, coming back down to 1,07,222. but I say okay, just don't sell from right here. We properly then wait right here for a breakout, or maybe we can get another buying decision on the basis of candlesticks. There is a lot of information I definitely will be sharing with all of you time to time. I wanted to share this strategy because I receive comments, so I don't ignore my comments, my WhatsApp messages, so I do react on your feedback. So also give me a feedback on this video as well. Thank you so much. See you next time, and good luck. Goodbye.